Want to know how to keep your plants healthier? Pruning is key to achieving this. It's a simple gardening technique that involves removing certain parts of plants like branches or roots. Through pruning, you're not only shaping your plants but also promoting healthier growth. Stay tuned to learn simple yet effective pruning techniques. Ready to transform your garden with some simple pruning techniques? Let's dive right in. The first step is identifying the right time to prune. For most plants, late winter or early spring is the best time, just before they start to bud. Next, you need to choose the correct tools. For smaller branches, a pair of sharp hand pruners will do the trick. For larger branches, you'll want to use a pruning saw. Remember, sharp tools make clean cuts and promote faster healing. Now, on to the actual pruning process. Start by cutting away any dead, diseased, or damaged branches. Make your cut at a 45-degree angle, just above a bud. This encourages new growth. Lastly, don't forget to remove the cut branches from your garden to prevent the spread of disease. With these techniques, you're well on your way to a healthier garden. It's your turn now. Give these pruning techniques a try and watch your garden thrive. Don't worry if you stumble at first. Practice makes perfect. The journey towards healthier plants starts with a single snip. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy pruning!